Today is today. Look at the power. Woo! I'm not exactly sure I'm supposed to be outside. Dude! What a day. Already. Flipping, I don't know, 6:30 in the morning. Ugh. Gardenia is this one. Gardenia is this one. That's hibiscus. Look at them. I just put that sign for the hibiscus back up there. The whole thing is knocked over already. So I'll clean these with the mop. Let's look and see how much pollen is on them. You can see my fingers, so some pollen. Not like 2 weeks ago when it was all pollen. So I made a bet. No, I didn't. I told him I'd make a bet with him though, that this was gonna say entrance, and the two signs similar to that on the other side were gonna say exit within 2 weeks. And he wouldn't commit. Assistant manager guy. And today at 5 p.m. you're only allowed 5 people per 1,000 square feet. I don't know if that includes employees or not. And then that will continue going on for the rest of the month. 20 days. And I mop these. I have a good mop. And at this point, I'm going to say it's ridiculous. Just absolutely ridiculous. People are taking this "who is they" too seriously. Who is they is not a question. Who is they is the answer. When they say, oh, they told us to do it, it's the who. How can a governor give an order to the stores to only let in so many people? I'd like to see that in the Constitution. I'd like to see that in the rule book, in the playbook. It's pretty ridiculous. So anyway, get outside, hug your neighbor, kiss him on the cheek. And tell him cherish his new love. Be well.